Mayong adlaw mga higala, this is your Maestra Judy. Welcome to Cebuano 101, where I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano. In this lesson, I am going to teach you how to say, please write it down. There are some variations that I want to share with you. We have here, isulat palihog, isulat palihog, or isuwat palihog. Another one, suwata or sulata palihog. Suwata palihog, palihog ko og sulat. Palihog ko og sulat or palihog ko og suwat. Now, another variations using daw. Okay, daw means as if or someone said. Seem, somewhat, so it shows uncertainty. You're speaking in behalf of someone. Okay, and daw can also be used when asking for favor. In this case, our example is you're asking someone to write something down for you. Okay, so let's try putting daw in our sample sentence. Isulat daw palihog. Isulat daw palihog. Okay. Suwata daw palihog. Suwata daw palihog. Palihog daw ko og sulat. Palihog daw ko og sulat. The last example is we don't literally translate it word for word, like directly to English. This is more like a context. Okay? Palihog daw ko og sulat. That means you're asking a favor for someone to write something down for you. Okay? Palihog daw ko og sulat. Let's break it down, guys, okay? Please is palihog. 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 The meaning of write in Bisaya is isulat or isuwat. So you can see here that the L is changed to W. Both are acceptable. You can say isulat or isuwat. Another one is sulata or suwata. Okay, you can also see there that the L changed to W. Suwat or sulat means write, to write, okay, write, or a letter. Now, in palihog daw ko og suwat, the ko there is I, and then the og there is the objective article. Now, let's practice. Please repeat after me. Isulat palihog. Isulat palihog. Isulat palihog. Next, suwata palihog. Suwata palihog. Your turn. Another one. Palihog daw ko og suwat. 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 Now your turn. Okay, that's the end of our lesson. Don't forget to keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.